most of the museums. We went to the ceramic museums, and we went to different districts where we met fellow artists in their community and how they are working and how they are. It's a wonderful exposure for us. In fact, some of the ceramic units were done with like wood ash. So which is the other part of world. I mean, like in Japanese and Koreans have innovated various techniques in ceramic, in that particularly in that medium. It was a wonderful opportunity for us to see the museum, and what do I call it? The whole country, it's made in so presentable and very inviting and more wonderful. And anyway, thank you, and also Cholamandal, the senior artist. Those are the legends who started the pioneering the Cholamandal artist place. The history behind Chennai, contemporary and modern Indian art, Cholamandal plays a major role in contribution of contemporary Indian art in Chennai. And thank you so much, and thank you Rati for putting all the show and everything, and also the Velu, the team behind, setting up coordination to the perfect. Okay, thank you,
Thanks
so much.
이제 현대 미술이 서양이 막 끌고 가고 그걸 따라갔던 그런 시대였지만
The current artist, the community, it has changed a lot to the western side.
근데 이제 한국이나 인도나 보면은 그 역사 속에서 가지고 있는 그 내적인 그 에너지, 그다음에 그 예술성 이런 게 드러나지 않았잖아요, 아직. 그래서 이런 기회는 굉장히 그런 부분들을 드러내서 함께 발전할 수 있는 굉장히 좋은 기회다 이렇게 생각합니다.
The Indian and Korean artistic things, it has
Energy.
the energy. It was very nice to bring it together.
Point in terms of shifting from the west to the east, not really in confrontation or anything like that, but we have a program which is for young children in school. So middle school and high school students who go to Pusan every year, about 25 of them go. And it was astonishing to see that parents are quite willing to come up and pay for their tickets, make sure they of course take care of all the arrangements. But earlier it would have been okay to say traveling to Europe or to the US or to the UK. But now they're consciously looking at how to travel east, especially to Korea. So I think that is something which has been very heartening for us also. So Chennai, Busan, Tokyo, they come together, the children have a whole 1 week program, immersive program, end of which they have a competition. So that's just just in name, everybody gets a certificate. But there again, it's these ties of friendship. Developed right from school, then into college, and now with artists. So it's like many layers. And we are hoping to strengthen the association with Cholamandal and of course with Pyeongchang Art and Sunyam to keep it going. So thanks very, very much. Please enjoy the exhibition. It's on for a month. Tell all your friends and other students to please come in. We have a whole host of students waiting to come in batches. But please spread the word as well, and it will be lovely to see them here. Thank you so much.